Now here's our voltage divider again in every circuit. And so I made this circuit in every circuit, and you can see my voltage source comes from here. I just clicked on it and it appeared. My resistors came from, you can slide along here and look for my resistors. Right here. And ground. Every circuit needs a ground, so that's where that comes here. And you just connect you'll get dots on each of your elements or components, and you just draw, just click and drag, and that will be able to connect your elements. So what we want to do here is we want to see, well, what is the voltage at this point, right? This is how my voltage divider works. Didn't mean to do that. So now you can see how I drag. And here, I guess I'm just clicking, and that connects it. So what I want to do is play the circuit, and what it's going to do is it's going to show me conventional current here. So you can see this is conventional current. You're assuming positive charges are flowing. And it's showing me the current that it calculates, right? So notice it's a series circuit. The current is the same through all of the elements through the entire circuit, including through the battery. Now I want to know, well, what is the voltage here? And it's showing me right here. Here I'm 9 volts. Let's play again. 9 volts here, because I'm coming out of the battery. I assume wires have no resistance. 9 volts. I haven't dropped anything yet. I drop 4.5 volts here, half of it, and I drop the rest here. And I can see that the voltage at this position here is 4.5 volts, as I would expect. So let's try some of our other examples. I can change my resistance. So I'm going to make this one 3. So that's 3,000, and I'm going to make this one 6,000. Similar to the example that same as the example that we did before. And now I'm going to click out of here, and we can look and see 9 volts. Right here I'm dropping 3 kiloohms times 1 milliamp is 3 volts, and I have 6 volts left. Right, that's what I need at this point. I have to have 6 volts left because I'm going to drop 6 volts here to get to 0 to get back to the battery. So I have 6 volts here. Let's try our other example. Here we swapped these and we made this one 6. And we made this one 3. And so now we can see 9 volts here. I drop 6 kiloohms times 1 milliamp is 6 volts. So I drop that much here. So there's 3 left. And I need 3 volts, right? 3 kiloohms times 1 milliamp left in order to get back to 0. So that's where this 3 volts at this position between the resistors is. And let's do one last calculation for the example. I think we had 100 for R1, and we had 220. Tough to get it just right. Close enough, 222. And when we look, we have 9 volts. We drop 2.8 about, and we're left with 6.2, which was what we calculated in our example. So there we have it. We can also